Come make a tincture with me. We're going to use the intermediate alcohol method for a dry plant tincture. We're going to use fine powdered herb, 2 ounces. Take equal parts Everclear. I use organic Everclear. We will then mix the two together in a glass dish and let them sit covered for 1 hour. This helps ready the herb and allow it to be more extractable to make a high-quality tincture. Now we make a menstruum, which is the liquid we use to make our tincture. For dry herbs, you always dilute alcohol with filtered water so we can add some moisture back into the herb, which is needed to extract the constituents from the herb. Make your label with name, date, and info you desire. We need 2 coffee filters, 1 cut glass bottle with cap. Okay, so now that our herb has sat in the alcohol for at least an hour, covered, we're going to take one of our coffee filters and our cut-off bottle, and we're going to put 1 coffee filter in the bottom. You want to make sure it's pretty even. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your herb and you're going to scoop it into that coffee filter. And now that all of our herb is in that coffee filter, we're going to take a second coffee filter and put it over the top. This helps keep that menstruum, which is the alcohol and water mixture, from going too fast through the herb, and it will give us a better tincture. And then we want to make sure our cap is screwed on, and we're going to put it in our mason jar that will fit the amount of herb and tincture that we made. We also want to make sure it's deep enough so that the cap isn't down here, because if the cap gets covered by the tincture, then it's going to stop coming out. So we want to make sure the cap is above how much tincture we're going to have. We should have about 10 ounces here. We are then going to take our menstruum, and it's easier if you put it in like a measuring cup, and just pour it in slowly into that second coffee filter. Don't get on the sides of it and go behind it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our cap and we're going to untwist it a little until we get about 1 second drops. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. We put it into our jar